How to upload audio file to AudioMass. First of all, open your web browser and go to the AudioMass website. Once the page loads, you will see the main editor interface with a blank workspace. Next, look for the File menu at the top left corner of the screen. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Then, select the Load from Computer option from the drop-down. This action will open a file dialog window where you can browse your computer. After that, navigate to the folder where your audio file is stored. AudioMass supports common audio formats like WAV, MP3, and OGG, so choose the file you want to upload and click Open. You will notice that the waveform of your audio file immediately appears in the editor. This means the upload is complete and now you can start editing or playing your audio directly in AudioMass. If you want to upload another file, just repeat the same process, or you can drag and drop audio files directly onto the workspace for even faster uploading. Finally, remember to save your project regularly by clicking File and then Save Draft locally to avoid losing any changes you make. And that's it. Now you know how to upload audio file to AudioMass. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.